Hey friends, this is Lindsay with Fontsy, and in today's video we're going back to basics and showing you how to use transfer tape. So here is some clear transfer tape on a roll, which is my favorite kind, and we'll show you how to use it. So the transfer tape is what you use, it's a sticky tape to apply a vinyl decal onto its intended surface. So simply begin by pulling one end of the transfer tape off the roll large enough to cover the vinyl decal. So if you flip the transfer tape roll so that the sticky side is facing up, you can place the vinyl decal, the cut and weeded decal, on your work surface, and then just visually measure out a piece that's going to cover the decal, and then just use a pair of scissors to cut off that piece. So the design we're using here is an Easter Spring Welcome design that's found in the Round Signs Bundle 2.0 at Fontsy, because we're making a round wood door sign. So if you want to grab this design, then check the link in the video description. So now with your weeded vinyl decal on your work surface, you'll take that piece of transfer tape you just cut and stick one edge of it along the decal, sticking off the vinyl backing about an inch or so and sticking to your work surface below. And what this is going to do is this is going to keep the vinyl decal down, stuck to the work surface so it won't move around, as well as keep the transfer tape on your work surface as well so you can pull it taut. Then take the flat edge of a burnishing tool and you're going to press it simultaneously down and across the transfer tape over the vinyl. And this is what allows you to get a very smooth application of the transfer tape over the vinyl, because you can keep the transfer tape taut as you run that burnishing tool over it. And this is really important to try and get as smooth an application of the transfer tape as possible, because it's going to help you get a better application of the vinyl decal later on. And then you're going to take that burnishing tool over the transfer tape and burnish it down to stick over the vinyl. And you'll flip the whole thing over and do the same thing on the back, burnishing this time on the vinyl backing to really press that vinyl onto the transfer tape. And then to remove the vinyl from the vinyl backing, you'll actually want to roll the vinyl backing off of the vinyl. The transfer tape is going to hold the vinyl, and you're going to just peel that vinyl backing back off. And you want to focus more on rolling the backing back and not just lifting it straight up. And then you're ready to apply your decal to the desired surface. So we're going to use the hinge method to apply this vinyl decal to our round wood sign. And then once you've applied your vinyl decal and it's time to remove the transfer tape, what you'll do is grab one edge of the transfer tape and roll the transfer tape back onto itself. So similar to how you were removing the vinyl backing from the back of the vinyl, instead of just lifting straight up, roll it back until you've completely removed the transfer tape. And this, my friends, is how you use transfer tape to transfer a cut and weeded vinyl decal, and you can make a lovely round wood sign just like this one, or lots of other vinyl projects. So if you want to check out this design we used in this sign, plus other round wood signs, check out the link in the video description to the Round Signs Bundle 2.0 at Fontsy. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.